Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is December the 9th and I am using my Mega Scalper trading system. System uses the Heikin-Ashi candles you see here along with these arrows. They're called a super signal indicator, and of course a couple of moving averages. One of them is the Mega Scalper, which changes from blue to red. And of course, down at the bottom here, it has some oscillating indicators. Now every morning, I'm in front of the charts, right at 6 a.m., right where this vertical line is, and I'm looking at all these different instruments, Forex, futures, indexes. And of course, I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I decide I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here's my daily trade plan. It's running in real time, analyzes the charts from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes. And of course, within the comments here, after it does some calculations, it'll either say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, and some of them will be preferred and some of them are either not enough strength or waiting for clear direction. As I mentioned, it's running constantly 24 hours a day when the market is open. Market has to be open so that it can grab the data and give these comments. Now, if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one very good reason why you are still struggling. It doesn't have to be this daily trade plan, but you have to have something to give you suggestions whether you should be buying or selling. Now, if you have any questions regarding the daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So there's plenty of trades can be found every day using the daily trade plan, and of course checking out this meter here. And looking at this meter in real time, this yen weakness, well, I'm quite sure that all the yen pairs are moving up. So now we can check out these trades I've taken. First one on the pound New Zealand. Just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Went sideways for a while. We have the arrow both in the daily trade plan, the super signal. Even the scalper was red. When I took the trade at this cursor, and I closed it out here just being happy with 21 pips, and that ended up paying out $123. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. Another one I sold. The pound here. And of course, all the other trades I've taken, I bought. So on this pound Aussie, here we go. Everything was looking great for shorting, top and bottom. So I took the trade at this point. Like I said, when you line up everything, then trading becomes easy and a lot of fun, and it's important you have a pretty good system along with a good daily trade plan. And once you get everything lining up, then you take the trade, which is exactly what I did right here. There's the super signal arrow, so I got in at this point, close it out here. Looks like it's going flat, but it can easily go back to the goal line, or it can easily continue down. Looks like I got 24 pips here, and that ended up paying out $155. Moving right along to futures indexes. As you can clearly see, they move a lot more and pay a lot more. So on this crude oil, I bought it Everything was looking great when I pulled the trigger, which was right at this point here. A couple of arrows in here, you know, just by looking at the charts, right from about this point, I knew it was going to go up, and up it went. And crude oil pays $10 for each tick. They're called ticks. So this should be 23. There it is right there. 23 ticks paying out $230. Moving along to the next trade, Euro Yen. So we'll drag and drop this up. So when I took the trade again, top and bottom, and on the next, I knew on this candle that this arrow was going to show up. So sometimes I jump in the trade one candle before. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, locking in 37 pips, and that paid out $251. Remember, there's 5 things that you're going to need to succeed at trading, and if you want to know what those 5 things are, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. And if you fail on one of those, well, there's a pretty good chance you're going to fail at trading. So let's run a check on this next trade, the Russell. Another one I bought it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was looking good. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Have the arrow there. And pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, easy to see. This should be 45. All the way to the top is 125, approximately. And what did I say? 45. There it is right there. 45 ticks, paying out $450. Another thing I highly recommend, or another tool, it's called the FibMaster tool. Works great, and it works great because millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. Now you would just click on this tab right here. You would go from swing low to the high. There's your pullback. If it hits the entries, it'll usually hit at least minimum target 2, 3, 4, or 5. And on this day, it hit target 9 and almost target 10. Love this Fibonacci tool, as it forces you or helps you to trade the proper way. I'm sure you took a trade and you were down. You know, a lot of traders would get in here, and then next thing you know, they're down 40 or so ticks. So this Fib tool helps you to trade properly. Now, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, just get in contact with me. And both the Fib tool and the daily trade plan, lots of information is right below this video in the description. Moving along to next trade, which is gold. Here we go. Gold also pays $10 for each tick. Look at it, the money should be 49 ticks. So let's drag and drop this up. If I would have stayed in the trade, I would have made 2 to 3 times the amount of money. But I just look at the totals, and once I'm sure I have at least 200 or more pips and or ticks, well, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So let's see, it should be 49. See what up to the top here is 156, so this would have been 3 times more. Anyhow, 49, there it is right there. 49 ticks, paying out $495. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, which is the DAX 30. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So everything in real time right from here where I took the trade. Was perfect for buying. Now with this DAX 30, it does pay $3.75 for each tick. And I'm looking at the money, so I divided it by that number, and calculator says it's approximately 270. So from here to here, looks like I closed out at a good time, because I'd be losing right now if I wasn't paying attention. So from there to there should be 270. And that's as close as I'm going to be able to show, between 268 and 272. Anyhow, it's 270, and all of those ticks paid a $1,012. And of course I can show you that fib tool again. Certainly helps millions of traders to find success. You would just click from swing pivot low to the high. There's your pullback. Hit entry number 1, almost number 2. And as I mentioned many times, it'll usually hit target 2, 3, 4, 5, and it almost hit it right there. Great tool. I love it. It's 100 times better than the cheesy one that is the default within the MT4 platform. This one gives entry points and up to 10 targets. Again, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, just get in contact with me. So another great day of trading using my Mega Scalper. And of course I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. Grand total for today came to 469. Mainly because of this DAX 30. And all of those pips and ticks ended up paying out $2,717. So if you have any questions, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do that, all you have to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I answer most of the time. And of course, if you live too far, well, you can always send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. Made a link, a Skype invite. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype, I should be able to answer most of your questions. Also in the description, you'll find 4 different packages. And one of the 5 things that you're going to need is a lot of education. And after 20 years, I have a lot of education. And you will be needing a lot. And so all you got to do is, well, get in contact with me, and I can show you what I have through Skype screen sharing. Now there's 4 different packages. As I mentioned, I do charge $250 for each package, and have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. Well, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.